Hello, welcome back to the V8 Deep Dive series. This is session 4 in a multi-part series, so be sure to check out the other parts. Today we're going to look at how to increase the file descriptors on an operating system. So the first thing you're going to do is run the pre-req, and you'll notice as the line shows there, os.ulimit has flagged as a fail. The pre-req scanner is expecting just over 3 gig to pass, and production OS should be set to somewhere around 65535. So, steps we're going to look at today to try and correct this. First is how to check the current limit. Secondly, we're going to look at how to increase the number of file handlers for the OS. Third, we're going to look at how to apply the changes to the OS configuration to make sure it's persistent. Fourth, how to increase the ulimit setting. And 5, how to check that's worked. So, as you can see there in the pre-req setting, this has failed. The first thing we need to go and do is go down to the command line at the bottom. And we're going to type ulimit -n. Now that comes back and you can see there's a value at the moment of 1024. Now the pre-req check, that's right on the edge of just being okay or not, depending how your OS is set up. So we're going to increase that somewhat anyway, as it's much better for your operating system that's running production software. So you need to edit the file in etc sysctl.conf. If we go in there, first thing you need to do whenever you're going to make any change as normal is just put your name down and the date so other people know that are using the system what you were doing. Once you've done that, we're just going to put a one line in this config file. So the first thing we're going to do is type fs.file-max. We're going to put equals and we're going to set this to 152000. Once you've put that in the config file, back up to the top and save it if you're using gedit to do this on a Red Hat box, and you can shut down that file. Jump back down the command line at the bottom. Next, you need to type sysctl-p. You can see there at the bottom it's got the fs.file-max is 152000, so it's already showing the change in the operating system that we've just made. Next, again, we're going to use gedit, and we're going to go to the directory /etc/security, and we need to open the file limits.conf. Here at the bottom of the file, as before, one line you need to put in there again, just put your name and the date. Once you've done that, you need to put a star, tab dash, tab no file, tab again, 65535. Once you've made those changes, back up to the top and save, again if you're using gedit rather than Vi. And you can now shut that file down. If we jump back into the command line, we're going to use the command ulimit -n again, but we're also going to use 65535 if we've just set in that config file. Hit return, you'll be dropped back into the command line. Ulimit's now been set. So ulimit -n again, you can see that number's now changed from 1024 to 65535. Again, as we've done in previous videos, you need to restart the installer, run the pre-req checker and see what the result is. So if you've not seen that video yet and you want to see what these options do, watch number 1 in the series. Going forward, I've used all of the defaults on here just to show you the pre-req check. The scan will go through all of its checks one by one and see if it's a pass, fail or warning. You can see now on the screen that we have removed the line that was there before showing us that the file descriptors were out. So the pre-req check is good to go on that one. If that was the only failure you had on your pre-req check, hopefully you're now good to follow the rest of the videos and install the product. If you have a few more warnings or failures to correct, then please make sure you check out the other videos too. Thank you for watching this video at the IBM Monitoring Academy. We appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to check the thumbs up box if you appreciated this video. We have added several helpful links to the YouTube comments box below so you can find all our other content on social media. I would definitely recommend that you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.